11 of Module 3. Module 3, Lesson 11, we are finishing that up, okay? Okay, boys and girls, I want... Sweetie, we can't turn that on because then nobody can hear me over here and nobody can hear me on the meeting. Okay, I'm sorry. I might be able to move it and turn it on. And I can maybe do that in a few minutes. I know it's cold in here. I know it's cold, but it's warming up. It's a little bit colder than it was. Is that one on? Yeah. Okay. All right, very good. I want you guys to close your Chromebooks. You need to put them away. You guys know that. Riley, you don't get to put that Chromebook in your desk. You may put it over here because that one is not yours. Okay, you need to charge your Chromebooks at home. That's part of being responsible. Part of being responsible is charging those Chromebooks at home and then bringing your chargers so I can try to work up a system. Okay, I want you guys to take out those place value discs that we cut out last week. Too bad. And you were given plenty of time to cut them out and you were told to do that. So I don't know how you possibly wouldn't have that done. I gave you what felt like 100 years to cut those out. Get out your baggies with your place value discs now, quickly. They should all be in your desks for those of you who were here. I think it was pretty much everyone. What, honey? You were here the other day and you cut them out. So yes, look in your desk for them. It should be a baggie, little place value discs. All right, thank you, Jaya. Sit down. All right, very good. Please build me the number 103 with your place value discs. Please build me the number 103 with your place value discs. Didn't you cut these out the other day, Riley? Okay, well, I guess you'll maybe have to catch them. Hopefully you can cut them out during catch-up time. Get out your whiteboard and a marker, and you're just going to have to build it. No, you were here and you cut them out. I don't know why you're saying you didn't cut them out. You did. And you should have cut them all out because you had plenty of time. We did an extra short lesson, so y'all would have time. 103. Thank you, Jaya. I see Jaya built it. I can't, Zahidi, did you build it? Okay, your body's just blocking it. Okay. I see Samuel looks like he may have built it. It's hard for me to tell exactly. All right, very good. For those of you who did it, it should look like this. It should look like a 100 disc, and then it should be 1, 2, 3 ones discs. If you built it, that's what it should look like. Very good. All right, I want you guys to build me the number, 129. 129. Build me the number 129. $129. Try to do it as quick as you can. Rudy, you were here, bud. You cut them all out. Go get your baggie of place value discs. It should be in your desk. You shouldn't have to be drawing them because I believe you were here. You were not gone. Those of you at home, if you made your own at home because you've been missing a few days, wonderful. If you need to draw them on a whiteboard, you do that, okay? 129. Amy, stop cutting. Build the number. You may finish cutting at another time, but not right now. Build the number I asked you to build, which is 129. I should have 100 discs. I should have 2 tens discs. And then I should have 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's what it should look like, right? That is what it should look like.
Because you already wrote the answer, go to the back side.
Okay.
Troy, get off the desk.
Okay. Now, what happens if we add one more one? What happens if I add one more one? Jaya? I made 130, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Uh-oh. Do I get to have 10 ones? 10 ones make 10. Right? We have to get rid of those 10 ones. We have to exchange them for a group of 10. 10 ones make 10. I need to move them over here. Now I have 130, and I had to do an exchange, right? Rudy, get over here with your whiteboard. There's no reason you should have lost that already. You were here, you cut them out. I don't know why you don't have them now. They should have gone nowhere but in your desk because that was the instruction, right? So I don't know how you guys have possibly lost them already, but we took the time to cut them out and we should have them in our desks. We wasted a whole day on it. Okay, very good. Please build me the number 230. 230. Should we be erasing anything for those of you writing it? It does not look like Troy has 230.
You got it done? Yeah.
Then you don't have them spread out or something because there's something wonky there. Because I can't see 230.
Keep working, Max.
That's way too many, Troy. That should not be in your 230. I shouldn't have a pile of 31s, right? You should have 3 10s. For 230, you have 2 groups of 100, and you have 1, 2, 3 10s.
You need to look at the paper and do the math.
You can use your number lines if you need to, first graders, but you actually have to do the work, guys.
You got both sides done? Double check your answers.
For 230, you should have 2 groups of 100 and 3 groups of 10. We shouldn't have had to erase anything for those of you doing it on your whiteboards. For those of you doing it with your discs, all you needed to add was a group of 100, right? All you needed to add was a group of 100. Excellent, excellent. I want you to now do 203. 203.
That isn't going to help your feet. It's going to do the opposite, eh? So stop whacking it with this pencil.
Okay, 203. What am I going to do for 203? I like that Jay is on fire today. That girl is on fire. She is alive, awake, alert, enthusiastic. Way to go, Jaya. Bonus points today. Bonus points today. That girl is on fire. Okay. Ashton, what am I going to do, honey, to make it 203? Oh, very good. I'm going to take away 3 10s. When I'm drawing it, I can make my life a little bit easier. Just do that. And I'm just going to make them 3 1s. Right? If you guys are doing it with your discs, you take those 10s away, you replace them with 3 1s. Very good. Very good. Oh, let's do it. Again, I want you guys to I want you to build the number 25. Build the number 25. Build the number 25. All right, what should we have for the number 25, Suhaiti? What should we have for the number 25? What? Why would I use 100 for 25? How many tens? What? Amy, can you help my friend? Can you help my friend Suhaiti? She seems to have lost her head today. What? I do not need 0 tens for the word 25. For the number 25, should I have 0 tens? How many tens should I have, Sophia? How many tens should I have, Sophia? Ones, tens, hundreds, right? I should have 2 tens.
No, you're the one.
I should have 2 tens.
Yes or no?
1 10, 2 tens. 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Very good for the number 25. 2 tens and 5 ones. 2 tens and 5 ones.
All right.
Okay.
Miss Kennison,
You, yes.
what do you want them to do now?
They need to do their worksheets after their sprints.
Okay, so
And that's the one that I did 1, 2, and 3 for on the board.
that's page. What do you have it on, Elizabeth? So the next page.
Yeah.
Okay.
And they need to be drawing those numbers and crossing out the ones they're taking away. And then you guys need to turn it all in on Class Dojo. Yeah, go around that way. That's the safe way.
I'll figure it out by then.
I know. Well, when I had to the way I had to do it, well, because also I was originally thinking I was going to be able to use the clear touch over there, but then that got taken away. So I had to make enough room to do the clear touch. But even then,
Are you recording?
yeah, I'm recording. I can mute it for a second if I need to. All right. Please build the number 36. Build the number 36. Hold on. 36. Use the home. Build the number 36. Look like Riley, can you tell me how I would build 36?
So put 3 tens, then put give us a 1.
Very good. I should see 1, 2, 3 tens, and I should see 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. If you guys did it just like that, pat yourselves on the back. Pat yourselves on the back. Hayden, turn around and do your work, young lady. All right. I want you guys to build 250. Build 250. 250. Samuel, did you build 250 already? I say you were very, very fast if you did. Incredibly fast, very fast. All right. What is 250 going to look like, Samuel?
So 205 tens.
Do I have any ones? Nope. Very good. 10. 4 and 5. Goodness gracious. Can't read. Very good. We should have 2 tens and 5 ones. If you need to erase your board, Rudy, honey, so you have room for the next ones, you could do that, okay? Don't feel like you can't do that. All right.
What do we do now?
You need to do the front and back of that page. Once you have done it, you can turn it in on Hot Dojo. Then you get onto Zern. Louise, you need to get out from underneath my desk because you're invading my 6 feet and my space that you're not supposed to be touching. So you need to get out from underneath my desk. Okay. What, Louise? What, Jimmy? Same time, 11:40. So you've got about. Okay, sweetie, if you've done that page, turn the next page and do it, then turn it in on Dojo. No. That one. Okay. I want you guys to build 360 for me, please. 360. Second graders, build 360 quickly. Quickly. Let's see if we can get going on this a little faster. $360. I see some thumbs up. Very good. All right, so Haiti, how are you feeling about this one? Did you do it a little? Do you think you got it? How am I going to build 360?
300 and 10 or 6.
Am I going to have 10 6 or am I going to have 6 10s? Yeah, you got to watch how you say that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. For 360, you should have 3 10s. Sorry, 306 10s. I apologize. 306 10s for 360. All right, boys and girls. Thank you, first graders, for working hard. I need to see hard workers. Remember, I did number 1, 2, and 3 up on the board for you. There should be no excuse to have those ones wrong. Keep going. You need to have the pictures where you drew those and you crossed out how many you took away. Right? That's why I drew it on the board like that. Okay. 520. Second graders, 520, please. 520. What, Elizabeth? What, honey? What? Okay, then turn the other page. You don't need to report it to me, honey. Do the work. Turn the page. Turn it in on Dojo. When you're done, and get onto Zern. Okay? 520. Rudy, you need to be drawing it. 520. Don't make me do the work for you. Don't make your neighbors do the work for me. For you, you do it. Think of how many hundreds I need in 520. Think about how many tens I have in 520. Think about how many ones. Okay. All right. Ashlyn,
and 2 tens.
Very good. We need 500s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 2 tens. 1, 2. That's what it should look like for those of you who built it with the discs, 2. So Rudy, next time, please start drawing that before I do it for you or Ashton does it for you. You need to be thinking of it yourself. And I know you can because you've been doing so awesome. You've been such a rock star, right? You're really maturing and doing your work hard. I appreciate it. So let's keep that up. All right. Jimmy, I've repeated the instructions about 15 times. You do that page front and back. If you did everything, turn it in on Dojo and get onto Zern. Please do not make me repeat that again. Okay? All right. 205, please. 205. Second graders, you're writing 205. 205. Jimmy, please stop talking. Get out your stuff quietly. Turn in your work quietly. Go on to Zern quietly. 205, Amy, how am I going to build that?
I need 200 and then 5 tens.
Oh, do I need 5 tens? Think about that place value. Did I say 250 or did I say 205?
I need 205.
Right. So how many do I need? 5 what? Not 5 tens, but 5 ones. Very good. 5 ones. 1. She made a goofy mistake, but she's going to learn from her mistake, right? That's what mistakes do. Mistakes help our brains grow and they help our brains learn. Very good. Very good. If you built 205, if you guys are done building 205, you can build 603, please. 603. Oh, Troy, how do we do it? 603. How do we do it, Troy? 603, Troy, how do I do it? Very good. I would get 600 and then 600s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 600s. And then 3 ones.
I did that.
Okay, now I've got a question. After we do this, I've got a challenge for you. Woohoo! I feel challenged, do-do-do.
Oh no.
Like I knew that I would, do-do-do. Luis, you need to get out from underneath my desk. That is not your space. You are invading my space. When you are underneath my desk, you're invading my space. Thank you. All right. Okay, boys and girls, I've got a trick problem for you.
Oh no, man.
If you have 36 and you want to change to 360, well, when you have 36, what do you have? Think about your place values. What do you have in your place values? Think about your place values. Jaya? Very good. When I have 36, I have 3 10s. 1, 2, 3. And I have 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, when I have 360, what do I need to change? What do I need to change? Samuel? What? Think about it. It's not something you need to remember. Just look up and think. Okay, Samuel, we don't just get to quit. We come across a hard problem, do we just get to go and quit?
Yeah.
No! So this problem is challenging. That's okay. That's okay. We gotta think. That's how our brains grow and change. What, Jimmy? Jimmy, I guess you're just gonna have to sit there for a few minutes, honey. Just sit. I will be up there when I can, and I'll give you your charger to grab. Do you have your charger? See if you have your charger. We'll see if we can help solve your problem. You've got to charge your Chromebooks. I cannot repeat this a million times or more. Oh, good. Okay. That'll be easier for me to help you if you have your charger. I'll help you in just a second, okay? Max, you need to actually log into your Chromebook. I don't know what you're doing, but you need to log in the way I showed you earlier. If you don't bring your Clever badge, it makes it hard to log in with the Clever badge. So you need to log in a different way. All right. So in 36, Samuel, how many 10s do we have? And how many 1s? Very good. In 360, do I still have 3 10s? No. Do I still have 6 1s? No, I have 3 what, Samuel? And I have 6 what? Very good. Okay, I changed. I changed. We would say 3. Oh, sorry. 3 10s. Three 10s to 3 hundreds. Right? Were we done though? No. So there would be a second part that also said I changed 6 1s to 6 10s. Very good. You guys did that work. You did the work. Very nice job. Okay. That is pretty much what we have to do today. You guys are going to do that worksheet tomorrow. Oh, let's talk about the numbers in standard form and unit form really quick, just for some reminder, refresher, catch up on that. All right. I have the number 12, and it's written like that. 1, 2. Jaya, you've been doing so awesome all day. Let's get your hands off of those. They're tools, not toys. Can you listen for just a couple more minutes? Wonderful. 12, that's standard form. Standard form. When it's written just like that, 12, that's standard form. When it's written as, and then hold on, this is unit form. Unit form, when it is 1 10 2 1s. Okay. What, Cambry and Elizabeth? Go quickly. What, Cambry? What? What? Well, you're just gonna have to sit there. Do you have your charger with you? Okay, you're just gonna have to sit there for a little while. Sorry. When you don't charge your Chromebooks at home, right, they'll die. Okay, it's uniform when you go to that. So standard form of the number 124. Can you guys tell me the unit form of that? Think about exactly how you would build that with your place value stuff, and that would be how you do the unit form. Ooh, I love that I see some hands. I love it. I love it. Riley, can you do unit form for 124? What place value is this? No, this is not the ones. Ones, tens, hundreds. Right? Our place values always go ones, tens, hundreds, and then on, thousands, etc., etc. If you think of a number written like this, 124, ones, tens, hundreds, right? So 100, 2 tens, and 4 ones would be unit form for this number. Okay? What's Hayden? Did Elizabeth, you use the restroom? Did you wash your hands? That was very fast. I'm impressed. Hayden, go quickly. Okay. Now let's do standard form of the number 104. 104? Now who can do unit form? What brave second grader? Oh, I see lots of brave second graders. Rudy?
100.
Okay. 100. You don't even need to write 0 tens because there are 0 tens, right? So 0 is nothing, so we don't even have to write it when we just in unit form. Obviously, you have to write that 0 when you write standard form, otherwise that number would just become 14. But in unit form, you don't even have to write 0 tens. And what's the last part of that number? 4 what? Think about your place value. 4 what? What place value is that in, Rudy? Ones. Very good. 4 ones. Excellent. Excellent job. You guys are really doing better with this. Okay, standard form of the number 299. Standard form of the number 299 would be written like that. How would we do the unit form? 299. I'm so excited. Okay, so first graders, knock it off. You keep your masks on your face. If you didn't bother to charge your Chromebooks or you don't know how to log in, because I don't know why you don't know how to log in, you should. You're just going to have to wait a couple minutes. I'm almost done. I'm sad. Samuel. Nope. Wait just a minute. Samuel, uniform of 299, please. Okay, 200s. Okay, what else? Very good. 9 tens and 9 ones. Very good. Very good. So remember, uniform is when you break the number up into its place values. And remember, we always start on the left. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. It just keeps going on and on. Right. 10 ones make 10. 10 groups of 10 make 100. 10 hundreds make 1,000. That's how you're going to know to keep going down that place value. Okay. So second graders, you guys can actually get started on your work for tomorrow, which would be the work you start in the morning. If you get out your workbooks, you get right here onto your problem set for lesson 11. Second graders at home, you could pause the book or pause your work, the Chromebook Sorry, pause the recording. Goodness gracious. Write that down and do it at home. Okay, and then turn it in on Class Dojo. The other side. Turn that in on Class Dojo. Pause it, do it at home, turn it in on Dojo. Okay, and then tomorrow you guys will also be doing your sprint. So for those of you at home, you should just get it done today. But the kids here are going to do it tomorrow when Mr. Squatrito is here to pause them, or to time them, I mean. Pause it, get it done. Turn it in on Dojo. Okay, so get out your workbooks. Look for your lesson 11, not your sprint. You're not going to do that today. You'll do that tomorrow. Those of you at home, once again, pause it. See how far you can get in 10 minutes. This should be easy peasy for you.